Welcome to the Grade 2 Math Challenge. Ready to test your addition skills? What is 6 plus 1? The answer is 7. What is 4 plus 3? The answer is 7. What is 9 plus 1? The answer is 10. What is 7 plus 3? The answer is 10. What is 8 plus 5? The answer is 13. What is 12 plus 15? The answer is 27. What is 14 plus 18? The answer is 32. What is 21 plus 16? The answer is 37. What is 25 plus 14? The answer is 39. What is 18 plus 22? The answer is 40. What is 27 plus 19? The answer is 46. What is 23 plus 28? The answer is 51. What is 34 plus 17? The answer is 51. What is 29 plus 24? The answer is 53. What is 31 plus 26? The answer is 57. What is 38 plus 15? The answer is 53. What is 42 plus 19? The answer is 61. What is 36 plus 28? The answer is 64. What is 45 plus 22? The answer is 67. What is 33 plus 29? The answer is 62. What is 47 plus 16? The answer is 63. What is 41 plus 25? The answer is 66. What is 48 plus 27? The answer is 75. What is 39 plus 32? The answer is 71. What is 44 plus 18? The answer is 62. What is 52 plus 17? The answer is 69. What is 49 plus 23? The answer is 72. What is 37 plus 28? The answer is 65. What is 53 plus 19? The answer is 72. What is 46 plus 25? The answer is 71. What is 55 plus 18? The answer is 73. What is 51 plus 22? The answer is 73. What is 57 plus 14? The answer is 71. What is 59 plus 21? The answer is 80. What is 62 plus 19? The answer is 81. What is 64 plus 18? The answer is 82. What is 68 plus 15? The answer is 83. What is 71 plus 12? The answer is 83. What is 74 plus 11? The answer is 85. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.